Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I have a little bonus video, if you will, a little Etsy update. You might remember this super cool rag paper antique music books, that book that I got at my retreat. Well, I have taken out some of the wonderful papers that have the cool images on them. I have taken those out and I've made a digital. Now I have to shout out my pal Carrie the Crafter, because I was thinking, like for instance this one, I was thinking, oh, that's too big. I can't fit that, you know, to scan it on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Well, Carrie gave me the suggestion, I don't know, he fixed my problem, let's just say that, and that was to take a picture of this and use that to make the digital. So Carrie, you're a genius. We all know it and we all love you for it. So there you go. Let's look at this. So I did 3 kits. As you know, I'm not super techie, so I don't do things necessarily like others would, but I did what I could to share it with you, and I'm super excited about them, really, because I think they're going to be a lot of fun to play with. So this is kit 1. I'll just flip through it real fast. Oh, kind of upside down. That's how I roll. And yeah, I just picked the pages that I thought were really neat, had neat fonts and stuff with them. And then some of the music on some of them. This one, look at this. The bee prefers honey. Where was that when I was doing 6 bee journals? Didn't know it was in there. Shoot. That's all right. I'll start collecting for the next ones. So anyway, that's kit 1. Is this kit 2? This is kit 2, I think. Let's see. Get you into camera here. So just fun font and neat background. It like this one, it kind of picked up, you can see the music behind it a little bit. Yeah. The Queen of May, I thought that would be fun for spring journals. And then look at this one, Alice brand. So I'm going to use this in my Alice journal. And then this one. So that's 2. And here is 3. Yeah, they're depending on the page and how it was colored, they're all kind of different. You Gentlemen of England. Look, Carrie, it's for you. You Gentlemen of England, you. This is kind of cool. 2 faces under the hood. I thought, I don't know what that's for. Ordales and Mountain Stray. And then this one, it kind of had a cool like poem there. So anyway, there's 3 kits out there on my Etsy. So I just wanted to let you know. I don't know. Should we do a little project? I'm feeling like maybe we should do something. I was thinking these would be really cool for, excuse me, the Roxy Creations. Let me get somewhere here. Let me get maybe a Florentine paper. Let's try that. Remember the Roxy's weekly challenge where she had writing space in on the inside of another thing. So I would have to cut that down a little bit, which would actually be okay. I'll just do it opposite. That's what I'll do. Okay, so she just took this and folded it kind of in thirds. Ish. I'm going to make it a little wider than that. Okay. Ooh, that's cool. All right. And then this one is going to go on the inside. Do you remember this little project? Let's see. So I can make it about that wide. And fold it over to make another envelope. And then on this, so this one, yeah, that's going to be good. So this one you can write here. This one you can write on all the insides. So, and then all you do is just put some sort of little closure. I was using the medallion die cuts that I have. This will be a little different. Usually I put the one with the one that had some writing on it on the inside and the decorative one on the outside, but we're just gonna do it opposite that. So I felt really proud, you guys, for getting all 3 of these done. It was quite the, there was quite the situation because the photographs don't work quite the same as scan, so I had to figure that out. But I was happy because my goal for 2024 was to get a digital done each month of 2024. So I'm done with February. And in January, I did the whack and stack tags. The one that had that was made with my jelly prints. That's what I did. So yeah. Okay. So then you would glue. Let's do these first. But you would glue that down on the inside of this, like so. And then this will open up for a whole bunch of journaling space. And this one, since it's plain there, you'll have that too. So let's put that down. I just wanted to at least finish one piece with this. I think these are going to be great for like covering pockets, you know, like if you made, for instance, those pockets we made out of envelopes, to make some with just this, and then they'll be fairly neutral, could go in any journal. I think it's going to be fun. Okay, might have got that down a little low, but that's all right. Okay, then what I used were these little medallions just to hold. Look at that one. That one goes awesome. Okay, I like to give it a little. There's two right there. I thought it felt really thick. That should have been my first clue, huh? Okay, so we'll put that down there. Just glue it onto the opposite side of the flap, like that. And then, what color should we use on this side? I want to see what this looks like. Distress, too. Ooh, I like it. Oh, yeah. Well, I am going to have some fun playing with these. I hope you will enjoy them too. I really wanted to share. The only thing we're missing is we don't have the texture of the rag paper. And so there is that, but you know, it's as good as I could get. You know what? Somebody should start making rag paper and selling it on Amazon like they do the other kinds of papers that they have. Wouldn't that be cool? And then we could put whatever we wanted on them. We could put these on them. We could put something that's, you know, something that's patterned. It'd be great. Okay. So let's put that like, oops, like that. And then I think we can just put, maybe I'll just do a little, that one's kind of cool. Let's do that. This one, pretty neutral paper. Okay. Don't mind if I do. Okay, so we are going to put the glue on this side. It does have a little writing on it, so I want it to be right side up. Like so. And there is the first project with one of those. Oh my gosh, this side's awesome too. I'm just going to stick that in a pocket. I'm not going to glue that down. No siree, Bob. Okay, there we go. There's our first project with it. So yeah, so I just wanted you to see these. I will put these, maybe what I'll do is I'll link these. The link to my Etsy shop is always on my videos, but I will link these particular pieces or kits on there. So thanks everybody. I hope you're having a great Thursday. We had lots more snow, so we're not going to go to basketball today. So we'll be watching it on TV instead. So I hope you guys all have a great day. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. See you in the next video. Bye.